Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate the process for entering a Microsoft Teams meeting using an invitation link. Following this updated method ensures you can access your sessions smoothly, whether for remote work or online events. To begin, navigate to your Gmail inbox where the invitation was sent. Locate and open the specific email containing your Teams meeting URL. If your inbox is crowded, a quick tip is to utilize the Gmail search bar to find the invitation by typing in keywords or the sender's name. Once the email is open, you will see the Microsoft Teams link clearly displayed. Simply click this link to be redirected to the meeting page in a new browser tab. Selecting the link directly from your email helps prevent errors that might occur from manual copying. On the landing page, you will likely see a prompt asking if you want to download the application or use your web browser. For this tutorial, we will select the option to continue on this browser. This is an excellent choice if the software isn't installed on your device or if you are using a public computer. Please wait a moment while the interface loads. During this time, Teams may request access to your microphone and camera. It is vital to grant these permissions so others can hear and see you during the session. If the request doesn't pop up, verify your browser settings to ensure these features are enabled. After the page finishes loading, locate the Join Now button and click it. This final action places you inside the meeting room with the other attendees where you can begin collaborating. Before you start, double-check that your audio and video devices are configured correctly for clear communication. That concludes the steps for joining a Microsoft Teams meeting via an invite link in 2025. Using this streamlined approach makes attending virtual gatherings a simple part of your daily routine. Be sure to apply these steps whenever you receive a new invitation to keep your workflow efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you connect to your next meeting without any trouble.